The Thirsty Crow. One hot summer day, a crow was sitting on a tree. He was very tired and thirsty. He searched for water but could not find it anywhere. Then after some time, the crow saw a pitcher on the ground. He flew down happily, thinking he finally would get to drink water. But when he saw inside the pitcher, he became sad. The pitcher was high and had a narrow neck. He tried many times to reach the water, but never gave up. Finally, he got an idea. He saw some pebbles lying near the tree. He picked them up and one by one dropped in the pitcher. Slowly, the water came up. Now the crow easily drank the water and was no longer thirsty. He happily flew away. Try until you succeed. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe for more videos.